Hi everyone, my name is Matthew. I am project manager, and here my partners are Tia, she's market management, and Saul, he's outreach coordinator. And now we're going to speak on a project called After High School Comes College.
I'll be talking about the introduction of our project. Our design thinking focused question was how can we better ensure Korean refugee youth here in San Diego are prepared for higher education? I myself identify as a Korean ethnicity. And now you may be wondering who are the Korean people? The Korean people are people from Myanmar who have the world's longest ongoing civil war with 72 years and count. You may have seen in the news that there was a military Myanmar coup that happened, and ever since there have been a lot of people who have died, such as around 700 people, or at least 700 people have been killed because of the military coup. And this project of ours makes it relevant with the news that is going on because we think that in the future there will be an influx of a lot of refugees from Myanmar. And our target audience for our project was the Korean refugee middle school youth. And the reason why we chose the middle school youth is because at the middle school age is when students learn the most and also grow the most. And they're also introduced to society. So we're hoping to be able to be there for them and have the opportunity to help them with their English developing skills and also be of service and mentor them. After months of research and months of working on this project, we came up with the idea of a mentorship program. And as you can see, here is our business model. Now, one of the reasons why we really wanted to start this youth mentorship program is because we sent out surveys to youth and they replied back and we asked that if possible, would you love to be mentored? And a lot of them said yes. And from this, we definitely came up with this solution of having a youth mentorship program. Some of the partners that we hope to be with are the Korean Organization San Diego, internship with LS at E3 Civic High, and internships with CDRI. And the services that we hope to provide them are mentoring, tutoring, and college preparations. And as you can see here, the City Heights middle school population, the students who are refugees specifically, are around 200. And we hope to help hopefully around this same number too in the future.
Now we're going to talk about the financial plan. If we're funded as a nonprofit, this is how we would spread our money. First, 35% would go to technology like laptops, Wi-Fi, earbuds, and online programming. The other 44 would go to social media like socials like gatherings, college trips, and activities. And the other 20% would go to resources like books and programs to help them out. The total will come out to 34,000.
As for our market decision, our strategy type includes using social media or even having direct communication with the current people in City Heights by going door to door. As Saw has mentioned, he is one of the end users and he is in close contact with the current organization here in San Diego. Here are some examples of flyers we've created to promote our mentorship program, and these are just some things that are going to be on our mock-up post for Facebook and Instagram. We decided that Facebook would be a perfect place to reach out to parents, guardians, as it is the main form of communication for the current organization. And we've also decided to use Instagram because it's a platform that's widely used and actively used by the current youth groups. And here are some mock-up posts that we've created in the past.
Now we're going to talk about the project overview, like what went good and what went bad. What went good for us was that we really enjoyed what we were doing, and we enjoyed just marketing and doing the outreach for the caring community. What was difficult for us was gathering data and just getting information on the caring community. Thank you.